The human mind is an extraordinary force, capable of storing memories, solving problems, and guiding us through life. Yet, beyond our daily thinking and conscious awareness, the mind holds even greater potential: the ability to heal, restore, and bring balance while we sleep. Sleep is more than just rest. It is nature's way of repairing the body and refreshing the mind. But when combined with guided hypnosis and mindful movement practices, sleep can become a powerful gateway to deep inner healing. This session, Use Your Powerful Mind, Healing Deep Sleep Hypnosis Mindful Movement, is designed to help you release stress, let go of tension, and move gracefully into a restorative state of sleep where your subconscious mind can activate natural healing processes. Over the course of this script, you will be gently guided into relaxation, encouraged to reconnect with the wisdom of your body, and invited to use your mind's powerful imagination to awaken healing from within. Before entering a state of hypnosis, it is important to prepare both body and mind. Healing is most effective when you allow yourself to feel safe, comfortable, and open to the process. Find a quiet space where you will not be disturbed. Adjust your position, whether lying down on your bed, reclining in a chair, or resting on a comfortable mat. Allow your arms to rest by your sides, your legs to gently extend, and your eyelids to soften. Take a slow, steady breath in through the nose, and let it flow out effortlessly through the mouth. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more present. Notice the rise and fall of your chest, the rhythm of your breathing, and the way your body begins to surrender to stillness. This stillness is not just absence of movement, it is mindful movement inward. The journey of healing begins by shifting your attention away from the noise of the day and gently moving inward toward the deeper layers of your being. Close your eyes now and allow my words to guide you. Imagine a gentle wave of relaxation beginning at the very top of your head. With each breath, this wave slowly moves down your body. Relax your forehead, smoothing out any lines of tension. Release your eyes, softening the tiny muscles around them. Let your jaw loosen, unclenching your teeth, allowing the tongue to rest comfortably. Feel this wave travel through your neck and shoulders, melting away the weight you may have been carrying throughout the day. Let your shoulders drop, heavy and relaxed. The wave moves downward through your arms, into your elbows, forearms, wrists, and all the way to the tips of your fingers. Your arms now feel loose, light, and deeply relaxed. With each slow breath, this relaxation continues to flow through your chest, your back, your abdomen. Your breathing remains steady, calming, and natural. Each exhale allows you to sink deeper. Now the wave reaches your hips, thighs, knees, and calves, down to your ankles, your feet, and the very tips of your toes. Your entire body is now surrounded by a warm, healing energy, safe, supported, and at peace. To deepen this state of relaxation, Imagine yourself standing at the top of a beautiful staircase. This staircase has 10 gentle steps, leading down into a safe, healing sanctuary of deep rest. With each number I count, take a step down. With each step, your relaxation doubles, and your mind opens more fully to the healing powers within. 10. Stepping down, releasing tension. 9. Deeper and deeper, lighter and calmer. 8. Your body drifts into stillness. 7. Peaceful, safe, and supported. 6. Letting go of thoughts and worries. 5. Halfway down now, floating, sinking. 4. Entering a dreamlike calm. 3. Almost at the bottom, completely at ease. 2. Surrendering to the healing flow. 1. Stepping onto the soft ground of deep relaxation. Now you are in a sanctuary of your own creation. This place may look like a forest, a quiet beach, a gentle meadow, or even a glowing room of light. Whatever you see, know that it is your mind's perfect environment for healing. In this peaceful sanctuary, imagine a soft, golden light surrounding you. This light is the healing power of your subconscious mind. It flows through every cell, every muscle, every organ, bringing balance and renewal. With each breath, allow this golden light to travel deeper. It flows into your heart, soothing emotions and restoring love. It fills your mind, washing away stress and negative thoughts. It moves through your body, repairing, rejuvenating, and energizing. As you rest in this light, know that your body has always carried the wisdom of self-healing. Your mind is simply unlocking that wisdom, giving permission for the healing to occur. The cells of your body are listening now. They respond to every positive thought, every peaceful breath, every loving intention you hold. And as you sleep tonight, they will continue to repair, regenerate, and restore. Even in stillness, there is movement. Your breath moves in and out. Your heart beats with rhythm. Your mind moves gently between thoughts and silence. Mindful movement does not always mean physical exercise. It means becoming aware of the subtle flow of energy within. Imagine now that your breath is like a gentle tide. As you inhale, energy flows in, refreshing and cleansing. As you exhale, energy flows out, releasing tension and toxins. Visualize this rhythm as a graceful dance. Your body may be resting, but your inner world is alive with movement, circulation, flow, energy. This mindful awareness of inner movement deepens the healing process. Some people feel this as warmth, tingling, or lightness. Others simply sense a deep stillness. However it appears to you is perfect. Now that your mind is open and receptive, allow these healing affirmations to sink deeply into your subconscious. I trust in the wisdom of my body to heal and restore. Each breath I take fills me with calm and renewal. As I sleep, my mind and body align in harmony. I release what no longer serves me and welcome peace. My subconscious mind is my ally in healing and growth. These words are not just thoughts. They are seeds planted in the fertile soil of your subconscious. With each night of restful sleep, they grow stronger, guiding your body and mind toward health, peace, and balance. Now, allow yourself to fully surrender. Feel the comfort of your body sinking into the surface beneath you. Your breath has become slow and effortless. Your mind is floating between wakefulness and dreams. Imagine yourself lying beneath a starry sky. Each star above shines with healing light, and you feel their gentle glow washing over you. The night embraces you with safety, calm, and deep serenity. With each passing moment, you drift further into restorative sleep. Your mind continues to heal. Your body continues to restore. Your soul continues to glow with peace. You are safe. You are whole. You are healing. This healing deep sleep hypnosis with mindful movement is more than a relaxation exercise. It is a journey inward, a reminder that the mind is powerful and the body is wise. Each time you listen, the healing becomes stronger. Each time you rest in this guided state, your subconscious rewires itself for peace, balance, and health. Your sleep tonight will be deep and rejuvenating. Your dreams will be peaceful and nourishing. And when you awaken, you will carry with you a sense of renewal, energy, and inner strength. Trust your powerful mind. Trust your healing body. Trust the journey of rest, relaxation, and mindful movement. Good night.